Greetings to everyone. Today we are going to draw a 2D mask. So first of all, what you have to do, take your drawing copy and draw outside border with the help of scale. Okay. Then, as I used to say always, you have to write the title on which topic you are making a drawing. So today's topic is 2D mask drawing that you will write on the top of your drawing copy. Here 2D mask drawing, and the very right corner of the copy or either left corner of the copy you will write the date. Okay, as today's date is 3rd September 2020. Fine. Then to make drawing, you have to fold your copy from the middle so that only one part we will draw and the another part we will trace with the help of pencil. So turn your copy and fold it from the center. Just press a little bit, not harder. You don't need to press so hard. Okay, then unfold it and we will start draw from here. So while you are drawing, you need to be taken care of the space whatever drawing copy you are using, whether it is the A3 size, A4 size or the small one. You have to occupy the maximum space of your copy. Okay, for the particular drawing you have to occupy maximum space of your drawing copy so that the leftover space should not be more. Okay, so first of all we will draw. If you are not confident to draw directly, you can make the sketch first, and that can be a very light. After that you can make it dark. If you feel that your drawing is perfect, then you can make it dark. So here I am starting. So first we will draw a half shape of face from the middle, as you already got the middle line. So till that page you will draw. Okay, then we will draw the eyes part, and from this part of your drawing, you will draw a line like this. Okay, and here the space will be more, and while you are taking this nozzle part to the down of your copy, the space will become narrow towards the center line. Okay, this part we will draw the eyes, and it will be in a circular way. To make it more beautiful, you can draw another circle inside the circle. Okay, again you have to leave some space over here around 1.5 centimeter, or it can be a 1 centimeter, and you will draw the line and take it towards the eye, and another line we will start from here, this part of the eye, and we will take it down more till here, and we will join it here like this. The eyebrow part you will draw in a curved line and another curved line like a half moon. Okay, it's a very simple drawing, you don't need to bother about the drawing. Another part, the upper lips we will draw here, and the lower lip. You can add more detail inside, like as you might have seen the face or the mask already. They are having vibrant design and vibrant color. In the same way, according to your wish, you can add more designs inside this face. Okay, now we will draw the ear part from like semicircle and another one. We will add some ornaments so that it will become vibrant. Okay, this part you will erase with the help of eraser. And then this small details, you can add more details here, like if you want to draw like this part of things, if you want to draw, you can add more design. Otherwise you can leave it the way it was before. Simple. Okay, inside also you can draw some shape like curve shape. If you are having any more beautiful design in your mind, you can carry on with that also. Okay, like that. Some more shape can be added as per your wish. It's all about your wish. Okay, then from the again we will draw the half line, because while we are tracing, the other half part will be appear here. So like that we will draw the leaf shape on the top of the head. Like this. If you want to draw inside something of this leaves, you can draw. Otherwise you can draw some lines back side of this designs. Like this. If you want to add more details, then you can add like this center lines. So it's up to your wish or up to your creativity what all things you want to add in these drawings. I'm giving the basic shapes to you and you can work more into it. Okay, now what we will do, we will turn it again from the center, and what you have to do, you can see the drawing is visible here. Okay, while I'm unfolding it, this drawing, okay, you need to draw this drawing little bit darker with the help of like this 6B or any 10B pencil. You can make this drawing. Otherwise whatever pencil you are having, you can go along with that also. So after doing this, you need to turn half again the page, and as I already darken the line with the help of the 6B pencil, we will use the back side of the pencil to trace the design over this side. So from here, all the designs you can see, we will trace it with the help of this pencil from the back side of the pencil. Otherwise you can use your hand or nails. Be careful, the paper should not get tear. So over the line you need to rub this pencil so that the design will be appear on the another side. Okay, unfold it. You can see some light design over here. If you are not getting it, you need to do it again. The part which is not visible to you, you can again trace with the help of this pencil. Okay, unfold it, and the line, whatever lines the lines which is visible to you, now you can draw with the help of pencil, or you can directly use the sketch pen to make it final drawing. Otherwise you can use this pencil also. So as the design is appeared, I am just following the lines which is already appeared here. If you find somewhere the design is not appear, you can again do it like this. So the design will be appear. As you can see, the light lines are appeared here. So you can go along with that. We will draw one circle over here, and you can draw some designs over here also. Now the eyebrow part is also not visible, so again we will trace it with the help of this pencil. So whatever line is visible to you, you can go along with that, and then later on you can work on the line which is not visible to you. As I cannot see the line of this eyebrow and the ear part, again I will fold it, again I will press it little bit harder so that the design will appear properly. Okay, now I can see the lines. So here I am. So this drawing is basically the symmetrical drawing which should be appear equally on both the side. And into all levers should be parallel. Like that. Okay, so here you can see the maximum space of the copy is occupied. Again, if you want to draw something over here, you can draw some other lines or any design you can draw over here to make it more beautiful. Like this, you can draw any part like this half moon shape or something like. According to your choice, you can make some design over here. That's up to you. Okay, now with the help of sketch pen, you need to make it darker. After making it dark with the help of sketch pen, we will feel color. That color will be like merging of two colors, as I already taught you the color wheel. So with the help of color wheel, we will feel some colors like merging of two colors in the each part. We will go like that. So first you have to complete this, and in the next video I will show you how you can color it and make it more beautiful. Thank you everyone.